Now we want to create a more complete index file with a title, a navigation area, a main section and a footer. You've seen how Pug syntax works, so you already know enough to do this yourself. I'm going to do this backwards, by getting you to write the Pug file for the HTML file I give you. I've named this file expectedoutput.html. It's a dummy site for a cleaning agency which consists of a company logo, a navigation bar, 6 sections and a footer. Here it is in the browser. I've provided some responsive styling so we've got something reasonably nice to look at. You can download the files you need, the logo, images and a CSS file, from my GitHub repo at the address below the video. And I'd like you to write the Pug file which will generate this HTML. You can find a Visual Studio Code extension which will do this for you. Generate Pug syntax from an HTML file, but that would defeat the purpose of this exercise, so I want you to write the Pug version yourself. Make a new folder named Lesson03. And in that folder create a new Pug file named index.pug. Use Pug on the command line to watch it, and compile it automatically to an index.html file in the same directory, which at the end should be identical to expectedoutput.html if it's all done correctly. Good luck, and we'll look at your answer and mine in the next lesson.